Welcome to De-Ebumars Innovation Limited Company. Today I'll be showing you how to configure this smart door lock. We'll start with the unboxing. Now, this smart door lock comes with a battery that is rechargeable with Type-C, as seen here. Also has a remote control that comes with its own battery that is replaceable. So, we install this battery in this compartment. There's a battery compartment here. I'm going to connect these cables to their respective places.
Please look at the lock.
So I'll be showing you most of the features here. It has video, the camera on the inside and on the outside. So this is the one that will be on the inside, this one that will be on the outside. So you can see who is outside via this. And you can see my face. Camera is actually very, very clear. So to add the fingerprint, you have to unlock this with the default password, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6. And press hash is the enter key.
Unlocked.
Then you press star hash to open the setup. You go to the first one, user manage, which is the first one. Then you add admin, which is 1. So you press 1. Add admin, which is also 1. Press 1.
Finger, 2, add card, 3, add password.
While doing this setup, you just have to follow the voice prompts. So we're trying to add finger now, so you press 1.
Press your finger.
So
please remove and press again.
it's saying up to 6 more times. So you use this, just be placing your finger in different spots.
Please remove administrator, finger, 0, 0, 1, enroll, success, 1, add administrator.
So right now, my finger here has been added. If you want to add a normal user, somebody else that is not an admin, you choose to add normal user. You can add finger, you can add card, you can add password, you can add face, so that if the person is coming, maybe he's a student or a friend, you can add his face through this camera, and so when he comes here, it will be able to unlock. Let's go back and add this remote. So we'll go back to menu, which is star hash.
Please verify the administrator. Validation, success, 1, user manage, 2,
add user manage. You go to admin setup again, remote setup, which is number 2, select it, add remote, which is 1. Then you press this button. You see the light? Yeah, that's added. Let me show you how to lock and unlock with this remote control.
Please look at the lock.
So if you hold this red button for like 1 second, it unlocks the smart door lock. When you hold it, it shows a red light, and this spins in the direction of unlocked. Then for you to lock it, you tap this red button twice. Now the system is locked. So that's how you use this remote control. So now that we have set up the remote control and our fingerprint, this smart door lock, you can still use the other features. We'll just go over that again in summary. So you open the menu by tapping star hash. This timer here, you can reduce the timer in the settings.
Please verify the administrator. Validation, success, 1, user manage, 2, system setup.
User manage is when you want to flex around with the features of this smart door lock.
1, administrator setup, 2,
so you can add administrator setup,
3,
normal setup.
User setup, 4, system, 1, add administrator, 2, 1, add finger, 2, add
for the administrator setup, you can add the finger, card, password. Star is to go back. For normal setup, you can add finger, card, password, face. star just to go back. Then in case you want to change the timing, you go to the second one, system setup 2, then you go to open hold time, and you can set it, or you go to number 4, which is auto lock time, and you can set it there also to, like, say you want it to be 5, you just touch 5 and then press hash key, which is the enter, and setup succeeded. Now if you want to clear everything, maybe you went to install this for somebody and you want to clear off what you used to explain to the person, it's just for you to
verify the administrator. Validation. Success. 1. User. Manage.
just go to number 4, which is factory reset, enter it, and press hash key.
Factory reset. Please wait.
You wait for it.
Factory reset. Success.
It's successful. So all the data that I've inputted into this particular smart door lock after it reboots would have been resetted.
Please look at the lock.
Thank you.